Hey guys, MD here. Today we're going to be making split pea soup today in the Instapot. Oh my god, this is amazing. You guys have got to look at this consistency here. It's absolutely perfect. This only takes 1 hour in the pressure cooker. This would usually take you about all day to make on the stove. Oh, this is absolutely perfect. Let me show you how we do it. Okay, so the important part of this recipe to know is there's only two things that have to be accurate. And that's going to be your liquid. So for a liquid, we've got beef broth. We're going to use 6 cups. It can either be chicken broth, it can be water, it can be, it can be any of those liquids that you want to make a soup with. So just remember that. So we've added 6 cups of beef broth to this recipe. The other part that has to be exact is 1 pound of the split peas. If you don't use those measurements, you're not going to get a good product. After that, we're going to add our ham to it. It doesn't really matter how much you have. This is just some leftover Easter ham that we had vacuum sealed and then put it in the deep freeze. And I'm betting I've got like 1.5 pounds, and I don't even know. Just that much. That's how much. I've also got 1 medium Vidalia onion, just a sweet onion, to put in there. I've got 3 ribs of celery chopped up. I've got about 12 ounces of sliced carrots. These are the frozen ones. I had them in my deep freeze, so why not use them? I've also got 2 cloves of smoked garlic. I did that on my own smoker. If you guys want to look at that video, I'll show you below. Just to add in there. Most recipes call for salt and pepper. I've got my own seasoning here, so whenever you do seasoning, just do the 3-finger pinch to throw it in there. I'm going to do, I'd say 2 3-finger pinches into this to start. 1 and 2. There we go. Perfect. And you can season to taste afterwards. And that's it, guys. That's all the ingredients that are going to go into this. Okay, everything's in there, so now we're just going to go ahead and lock this thing up. We're going to set this to stew for 50 minutes. And it will be done. I promise you. This thing is going to be awesome. As you can see, the red button is popped, so it is pressurized and it has started cooking. The timer will start counting down now. It won't start counting down until this thing is ready to go and it's actually started cooking, which is a good feature to this, so you're not just wasting time, and it's a more accurate cooking time. Okay, time is up. We're going to go ahead and put the towel over the vent here so we don't burn ourselves. I'm going to go ahead and hit that manual release to rapid depressurize. Just like that. Okay, button is down. No steam coming out. We're going to go ahead and unlock this and always open it away from you. Just in case there's any residual steam just like that. You don't get that, you don't get burned. Alright guys, look at this. I don't know if you've ever tried to make split pea soup before, but to get this type of results, it's going to take all day to make. And I made this in about 50 minutes, just pressure cook time, so I'd say an hour overall. But look at that. That is the perfect consistency of what you're looking for with split pea soup. Oh my god. This looks perfect. Alright guys, now for the best part of the video, the taste test. Here we go. This is screaming hot right now, but we're gonna go. Here we go. Let's go for it. Oh, that is comfort food right there. That is straight comfort food. I gotta go in for round 2. Oh, that is perfect. Perfect consistency. It's very thick. It's very warm. Feel free to adjust the seasonings to any preference that you have. This is just what our family likes. But man, oh my god, I can't. I gotta go for round 3. That is absolutely amazing. Guys, you have got to try this. This is perfect. Perfect split pea soup. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, hit that like button down below. Also, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. You'll get more videos with content just like this. Also, hit that, or go ahead and put a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of it. Maybe some future videos you'd like to see. I'll show you my recipes for those versions of foods that you would like to see. That'd be pretty cool. I like always showing people the different styles that I like to cook stuff. It's pretty fun. But guys, I appreciate y'all watching. As always, get your families outdoors. I'll catch you next time. Let's get some more of this.